Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're actually going to be checking out 3 products sent over by Lamicall. So I'd like to thank them before we start because they were able to provide these items so that I could review them and make a video for y'all. So these stands are actually going to be something I will be using in my desk setup, and I will be posting a picture in this video of how it looks like on my desk. But before we do any of that, let's go ahead and unbox all of these devices. So in the description, I will be putting some codes down. They sent over some discount codes. So if you do want to check these products out, the codes will be down there in the description. So let's go ahead and begin. So they sent over a tablet stand, a phone stand, and also a laptop stand. So let's say you're in the iOS or the Apple ecosystem, you could put up your MacBook and then you could set up your iPad next to it to use 2 different displays, since you are able to connect those two. But let's go ahead and begin. So here we have the laptop stand, which I will probably be unboxing last. And then we have a foldable stand right here. And then we also have one right here. So you can use either or for an iPad or a tablet, and you can use one for a phone, or yeah, basically about it. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the side real quick. All right, and let's go ahead and open this one right here. So here, let's put this right here as well and open this. So this one is gonna be the S1 phone stand by Lamicall. You get a quick image of what it looks like right there. As you can see, it stands up right there, and then you could also plug a charger from underneath, so you won't have any issues with charging the device. So to open this up, all you gotta do is pull this front portion out, open the sides, and then voila, here we have our device. So I've actually seen these stands in a couple of YouTubers' videos as well, and I really like them, so I'm really grateful they actually sent these over. So here we have our first stand. This actually feels pretty sturdy. It is made out of metal, as you can see, or here I guess. So pretty sturdy product right here. Looks and feels really great. I do have a black desk, so I feel like it'll look really good on that desk. So put this right here, that over there. And then we also get this little thing. So Lamicall has spare parts. I guess those might be for like the grips, as you can see. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so yeah, here are the extra grips. So if your grips start wearing out, then you are able to place these. As you can see, we have 4 grips on the bottom, and then we have 2 right here, which holds the phone so it doesn't get damaged by the metal. And then we also have 1 back here. So you get a spare for each of those. Let's go ahead and close this back up. All right, so here is our first phone stand, and I have the Pixel 6 Pro right here, pretty large device, and here we plop it in. Fits really nice, and again, we also have an area to charge the device. So the back portion is opened up, so you can slide in a cable through there, and then you can also plug it in down here. So what's nice about that is it'll be out of the way, and people won't really see what it looks like or the cable behind it, so some extra cable management right there. Let's go to move on to the DP13 foldable stand. I believe you are able to hold a tablet with this one right here. I don't have my iPad on me right now, but I will just demonstrate with a phone. So to open this one up, I just gotta pull from here if I can without ripping it too much. I guess we can't do much about it. So here we have the other stand, and then we also get a manual right here. This one is foldable, as you can see right there. Folds up, which is nice. So it's foldable and portable, so you could take this around. Maybe you go to like a coffee shop, you're sitting down and you want to use your iPad, you have a keyboard, a Bluetooth keyboard, or you just want to put up your phone. This will be a pretty nice product for that. So this one is definitely a lot sturdier and feels a lot heavier, and this is about it. So that's how big it is. It's very small, will fit into basically any bag. You could also fit this into your pocket, but I wouldn't really recommend it. It's a little thick for your pocket, but overall it looks really nice and sturdy. So we have some grips on the bottom so it doesn't slide on the table or rock too much, and then we have a nice large grip right here for your phone. So let's open this up. All you got to do is tilt this up and then tilt this down, and it feels really sturdy. And again, we also have a port down here so you can actually charge your devices. So this one right here, you could hold up your tablet. It does have a larger area to fit a device. compared to the one right here, which is nice to know. And it is portable, so that's another advantage right there. Here, let me go ahead and grab my S22 Plus right here. Just go ahead and plop it on, and it works the same. So it's a phone stand, it's portable, you can take it around. This one, you'll probably just leave it on your desk. You won't really move that around too much. But this one right here, you can take it around, plop your tablet on there. So let's go into a vertical mode. As you can see, you could plop your phone or tablet. You could tilt it down. So if you are watching something on your phone, you can tilt it down a little more, and then you could be eating your food and using it as a stand. So all of those are really nice features with these two devices. So again, I will be putting these on my desk, and I will be putting a picture in the video real quick once I unbox all of these. So let's go ahead and move these to the side now and move on to our laptop stand, which is going to be the largest of the bunch. So pop this right there. Let's get all of that. My desk isn't big enough for all these boxes right here. All right, so Lamicall laptop stand. So anything on the box, not really much to it. So let's flip it back around and open this up. So for this one, just gotta pull from here. Not really sure why I'm explaining how to unbox it, since I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to open a box up. So here we have our laptop stand. We do have a couple screws right here, which shows that this will probably be a pretty sturdy laptop stand, to say the least. Let's move all this. So provide 24-hour service. I guess it's like an instruction manual, what it looks like. So silver aluminum, smooth-eyed, sturdy. The soft rubber pads protect your device from friction, which is nice to know. And then here's a nice little image of what it looks like. Plus it does rotate. So 360-degree rotation allows you to rotate at any angle you desire. So all of these are really nice. So easy installation. You get everything included. Connect part 1, part 2 with 4 screws, then connect part 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all these out, and then once I do, I will install it and show you guys what it looks like. So here we have the top of our stand, which again feels really sturdy. Put that box down there. Boom. So this is the bottom piece, I believe, and then this one is a piece that holds your laptop up. So here we have both of these. And then we also have the middle part, which will be holding both of them together. So, boom, like so. So these are all really sturdy. These are all made of aluminum and feel really premium and look really nice. So this again is the bottom portion. We get these 4 grips to hold it down so it doesn't slide. And then it also says Lamicall L stand. And then this is the top, which holds the laptop. So we have our 2 grips, so it doesn't cause any friction, it doesn't slide, and it'll also protect your device from this tough metal that we have. Plus we have 1 grip right there. All right, so now that we've seen that, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video real quick, and then I will be putting this together, and then I will also be making a quick little desk setup so y'all can see what it will look like, what this trio can do. So I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, so I got the setup ready. As you can see, I have the stand right here, and my laptop is on there. I have a MacBook Air on here, and it fits perfectly. This will fit larger sizes as well. As you can see, my laptop is a little off the edges, but that won't really matter as the base will be supported with the Lamicall laptop stand. So overall, it is a really nice laptop stand. And again, it is 360. So if you do have a different type of desk setup, you are able to use it for that need so others can see what you're doing on your laptop. I also have my keyboard right here. This is the RK61, something like that. I forgot the name. I've had it for a little while now, and I just went ahead and placed it down there. I also have my phone right here and my other phone right here. And again, you are able to place a tablet on one of those if you desire that you need it, or if you're trying to take it somewhere else and use it just for that reason. So this is going to be the trio I'm using for my desk setup for now. This is my MacBook Air desk setup, and I feel like it is a pretty decent setup as I'm able to keep my phones next to me at all times, and I'm also able to use my laptop perfectly with my keyboard. So all you do need to add is just a mouse, which I do have. It's not on the desk right now, but I do have a mouse for that as well. So overall, it is a pretty nice setup. Again, all the items are in the description, and there are also discount codes. So if you do want to check those out, they are over there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy the video and want to see more videos like this, and see y'all in the next one.